Good morning, everybody. It's Armando from A&A Professional Tile and Carpet Cleaning, and I am in UTC today. As you can see, my van is behind the bushes there, so it's going to be a little challenging getting the hose down there, but that's no problem for me. Done it many times. And we're going to be cleaning this unit. As you can see, the carpet is pretty old. I'm gonna say between 20-30 years old. Little faded, little worn down a little bit, but the fibers are in great shape, so it's salvageable. It's just a little dated there. See, I don't know what color this is, but it's in great shape. These old carpets from the old days were made with nylon, and nylon has great fiber memory. So the fibers, pretty much this carpet could be last forever. You can see fibers are still in great shape. See, they don't make them like this anymore. There you go. Cleaning company already went through and did their vacuuming, but I always vacuum with my vacuum. You can see here. There. So I always use my vacuum. I already started vacuuming a little bit there, and as you can see, I'm already starting to pull out some stuff, some dust there. My vacuum, there you go. And it's already been pre-vacuumed by the company. But my vacuum is an excellent vacuum. It pulls up the fiber lifter, to get all the advantage of that is to get all the pre-spray deep into the fibers so it can work properly. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it here and finish up the vacuuming, and I'll see you on the next step. Okay, bye. Okay, now is time for pre-spray time. Doing my favorite little cordless little electric sprayer. Probably the best one out in the market. Love this thing. And I'll set it down right here and show you a little pre-spray action here. If you can see. So I'll be doing this throughout the house. Let me get a better angle. This angle over here. Maybe this angle there. Yeah, I think this will work much better. This is an enzyme pre-spray that I'm using. And this one is probably the best pre-spray for carpet. And you can do some ceramic and porcelain tiles with this product. Not travertines or any natural stuff is good. The key for this to work properly is dwell time. At least minimum 15 minutes of dwell time. I'll be doing this throughout the house. But yeah, that's the most important step. Dwell time. Pause it here. Gonna pause it here, and like I said, 15-20 minutes max. So this product is gonna work properly. I'll see you on the next step. Okay, everybody, now comes the extraction part. This is the hot water line here. And the big one there is the vacuum. So I'm going to just show you real briefly the extraction process, and I'm just going to put this down here. There we go. definitely helps a lot on getting out all the spots there. Just want to show you real briefly. I'm going to do a dry run so you can get out as much moisture as I can. So it'll dry up a lot faster. Alright, I'm going to pause it here and I'll show you the finished product. The end result's going to come out nice. As you can see, it's already coming out good. Very nice. I did pre-scrub some of these areas with that machine right here. This machine helps a lot. 2 counter-rotating brushes there, and those brushes do a lot for it will fluff up the carpet and agitate it. Once it fluffs it up, that machine will help the carpets dry so much faster because the air gets in between the fibers, helping the carpet dry so much faster. Anyways, I'll see you at the end and see the final results. Okay, I'll pause it here. Okay, everybody, let's see the finished results. Whew, it was a tough job. Got it done. As you can see, it looks beautiful. This helped me a lot with my scrubber, CRB, my sprayer, and as you can see, this has been vacuumed by the tenants and by the cleaning company, and I got about, let's say, about 2 inches of dry dust. That's dry dust. That's what you want to get out of there first before you put any kind of moisture down. And then my little brush here. This brush is for the staircase. This one's also a big help for me also. Anyways, you can see staircase looks beautiful. If you could see it in person, it looks nice and bright and nice. And the stairs, I mean, not bad for there. I'm gonna call this at least 30 plus years old carpet, because this unit was was built in the 1960s, and look at that. Nice. Bedroom 1 came out nice. I mean, this is 30 plus year old carpet. This unit was built in the 60s, and look at that. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks, the hallway, so much better. I mean, you can keep using this over and over and over again forever. You know, walk-in closet. Can't really see too good. The lighting in here is bad. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect like over here. I don't know what kind of furniture they had with the, if it was wood, maybe the wood stained it there. Other than that, it's looking really good. So the owner, who's my friend, he's going to be so happy when he sees this. Okay, let's go downstairs. Turn this off. And like I said, the lighting here, even if I turn the light on in for the stairs, it's so bad, and it's very cloudy today. Rainy. Gotta go home and wash off my hoses because they got muddy because they went down the hill here. All that's mud, this hill. And my van's hiding behind it, the bushes there. Cloudy, started raining a little bit a while ago. See, anyways, let's see if I can flip this around. Thank you for watching, and I'll be coming out some more videos. And let me see what else. Let me know what else you want me to clean and put it on video. Upholstery, tile, or if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.